Hi, in this video I will show you how to use crash alert on your SIGMA ROX cycling computer. To use a crash alert you need to open menu, then you need to go down to the settings, open it, go down to the device and there switch all the way to the crash alert, open it, and there you can either turn it on or off. We will choose on and confirm it by pressing this button. And this is how you set crash alert on your SIGMA ROX cycling computer. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.